Be ready in any emergency or threatening situation.
Another essential thing that I always carry is the one-tack tactical pen. In my glove box, my car, my bag, comes with the 4-in-1 tungsten steel glass breaker, flashlight, knife, and pen combo. One-tack tactical pen is a must-have everyday carry.
This multifunction tactical pen is designed from aircraft-grade aluminum. It boasts a blindingly bright LED light, smooth writing rollerball pen, the tungsten steel glass break tip, and a stainless steel removable razor-sharp blade.